I'm about to teach you how to do mini twists that will have your locks turning heads wherever you go. But get into this updo though. Ooh, I'll teach you how to do that too. So let's get started. All products are listed in my description. I have a fresh retwist, and I use African Pride, Braid Lock, and Twist Gel. I love the texture and the strong hold of the gel, so yeah, I give it a thumbs up. To keep my edges nice and thick, I use Black Jamaican Castor Oil Pure Butter, and y'all, it smells so good. My trusty water bottle with water to add moisture, and for that high gloss shine, Shea Moisture Bonding Oil. My homemade oil mix of tea tree oil and castor oil, and to top it all off, my ISO Plush Dramatic Shine Oil Sheen Protective Spray. Classic black rubber bands, and my very own wooden halo lock charm. They're also perfect to wear if you have braids too. So yeah, these are a nice unique touch to any lock style. So grab your wine, ladies. We are about to get into these beautiful mini twists, okay? Okay, let's go. Taking care of your scalp is a must, ladies, because a dry, flaky scalp is a no-no. Here I am oiling my scalp section by section with a homemade mix of tea tree oil and castor oil. Tea tree soothes and castor oil strengthens. Now I'm rubbing it all in, ensuring for that perfect, even distribution of the oil. Start with 3 locks. French braid it a quarter of the way, then continue to 2-strand twist all the way down. I do it this way so the roots don't unravel, and you'll have a strong, tight base for your twists. Once again, French braid, quarter of the way, then 2-strand twist all the way down. Twist, 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 twist. And here is the final reveal. These mini twists is perfect for when you want versatility because you can let them hang loose, put them in a ponytail, or even jazz them up with some accessories like I just showed you. These wooden halo lock charms is giving beautiful earthy girl vibes, and I am so here for it. Make sure you add the finishing touches off with some dramatic shine to seal the deal. Then you are ready to act up and show off, okay? Thank you guys so much for hanging with me today, and I will see you soon. Until next time, loves. Bye!